Our channel uploads quality videos daily to help you discover the best products with clear, honest insights. And in this video, we're breaking down top wine coolers designed for silent, smooth performance. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more smart product guides just like this. Number 1. Vinery 46-bottle wine cooler. This Vinery wine cooler can hold 46 standard-size wine bottles across 6 shelves. Despite not being the largest wine fridge on the market, it's still a dual-zone wine cooler, meaning you can store reds on the bottom and whites on the top at different temperatures. Its noise emissions are rated at 40 dBp. While this is the top of my scale, it's still quiet enough that it won't really be noticeable. This fridge's annual energy consumption is 220 kilowatt hours, making it pretty efficient. The top section cools between 41 and 54 Fahrenheit, while the bottom section cools between 54 and 73 Fahrenheit. As you can imagine, you need to stack your wines on the appropriate shelf, as the fridge ranges from warmest at the bottom to coolest at the top. It's also rated for low vibration and humidity control, meaning it keeps your wines tasting their best. Number 2. Antarctic 24-bottle wine cooler. As a budget pick, the Antarctic wine cooler still offers plenty of functionality. It's designed for 24 standard wine bottles, and this even leaves some space at the bottom for cans to be stood up. Sure, it might not be the largest wine cooler out there, but it should be enough for most people. That said, the clearest indicator of its budget price point is its cooling range. The temperature can be set between 40 and 61 degrees Fahrenheit, meaning it won't be suitable for medium or full-bodied red wines. In fact, you'll probably only want to use it for whites and summer reds. It features a glass door that's slightly tinted for UV resistance. The door seal also helps control humidity, which is necessary for preserving corks. Inside is a blue LED light, which is designed to not impact the wine through light exposure. Number 3. Velivy 24-inch wine refrigerator. The Velivy wine refrigerator can hold up to 190 bottles, making it an ideal pick for a true wine connoisseur. At 76.8 inches tall, it's obviously a freestanding model, but it would look great tucked in an alcove in your kitchen or pantry. Its rated noise emissions are up to 40 decibels, putting it on par with the Vinery model above. It uses compressor cooling, which is why it's on the louder end of the scale. However, this means you have better control over the temperature and that it's less affected by ambient temperatures. The fridge cools between 40 and 65 Fahrenheit and unfortunately doesn't feature dual-zone technology. Considering this cooler's capacity, this is a bit of a downside. However, you can expect there will be some natural temperature variation due to warm air rising. As such, you'll want to store white wines on the bottom. But don't expect the top to be warm enough for most reds. Number 4. NutriChef PKCWC12 Wine Cooler. The NutriChef PKCWC12 Wine Cooler holds up to 12 standard wine bottles, making it a decent option if you don't need a massive refrigerator. At 31.2 inches tall, you could tuck it under a counter, on a counter, or have it freestanding, depending on where you have space. While it doesn't have a decibel rating, it scores highly in reviews for its noise level. Users rated its noise level with 4.55 stars, which is better, for example, than the Vinery above, rated at 40 dB. Numerous users state it's barely noticeable, so we can assume it's roughly on par with other compressor-cooled wine fridges on this list. Its temperature range is similar too. You can set it between 41 and 64 Fahrenheit, or switch to Celsius if you'd rather. Unsurprisingly, it doesn't have dual-zone technology because it's too small. Number 5. Smeta 19-bottle wine cooler. While portability isn't often top of the list for wine storage, the Smeta 19-bottle wine cooler is a good compromise between size and storage capacity. It can hold up to 19 bottles and has adjustable shelves for different sizes. It emits only 39 decibels of noise, putting it comfortably in our range for quiet wine fridges. You can install it under a counter or have it freestanding, meaning it's suitable for a range of applications. The temperature range is pretty standard, 39.2 to 64.4 Fahrenheit. It doesn't have dual zone cooling, but that's not a surprise for a fridge of this size. As with other models, it has a blue internal LED and UV-resistant glass. It doesn't display any energy efficiency numbers, but with a power rating of 85 watts, we can use the Vinery, rated at 70 watts, as a reference to estimate its kWh per year. Doing so means the Smeta would be in the range of 175 kilowatts per year.